The project that will be funded by Hanfod Cymru will be a project to support volunteers locally to volunteer through the medium of Welsh. We have an increasing need locally from a range of Welsh speakers and learners for volunteering opportunities through the medium of Welsh. So the project will enable us over the coming months to support those volunteers to secure interesting and stimulating volunteering opportunities locally. So the project will support a range of volunteers, from children to young people to adult learners, to take part then in a range of activities and to volunteer. The project will also enable us to support their expenses, their travel costs, and also any training that they need to fulfil their volunteering.